Okay, today we're going to be taking off your turn signal, your lights, and your horn button on a HS 500. First thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the steering wheel. Now, I've already pre-loosened all this to make this video a little bit shorter. Next step is to remove this cover right here. You got one screw on this side. You got two screws on this side and two on the bottom. This has plastic locks on it, so you have to press it in to get it to release. You'll see you got the lock right there that locks into here. Just press on that to release it, pull it away. To get this off, gotta find your little wires. Okay. All these little bullet connectors, that's what's going to go to your turn signals. So you're going to unplug each one of those. I suggest you take out your phone, take a picture of how it's connected so that you can connect it right back the same way. It is color coded, but take a picture. Got 4 bolts that hold this on. Nuts on the back side. Yeah, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. At that point, you're just going to pull this off. Your assembly's off, get your new assembly, just slide it back on, bolt it back down, bolt everything back together. That's it.